on Cpanel and install WordPress. So if you have buy the domain name and hosting, you'll be given a login, you given a username and a password. So you click the link that is being given to you. There will be a link, or if there is no a link, there's something you have to do. If you are not given a link, what you have to do is your website name. Let's say your website name is mrpromisetv.com. That's the word. Let's say your website name is there. So what you have to do, you have to put this slash. Put slash. You put Cpanel. That's what you have to do, and you will log in, and you get to this page. So that's it. Log into my Cpanel now. Website name slash Cpanel. That's how to access any Cpanel. The website name slash Cpanel for the hosting you bought. That's where all your files will be stored in the server of your domain name, everything. So slash Cpanel, if you click on it, you see is where we redirect it to. Don't worry, it's going to load. Yeah, so you press your username, insert the username and password. What you have to do, go to your Gmail account and copy your username and password. I showed you how it is and how the kind of username you see and password you see in that part one. So guys, you log in. After you log in, if you log in, you take you to this page. Where you see Cpanel. So what you have to do when you get to this place, just find anywhere you see WordPress or Softaculous app installer, Softaculous or WordPress, anywhere you see it. If you see it up or down, anyone, just go to this first one you see, Softaculous. There are so many application you can use to build website there. You can use Jumia, there are so many, but we are going to click on WordPress. That's it. So guys, pray guys you guys don't get confused. So if you get to this page, you're going to show you this page like this, WordPress. So I have so many installation done here. So in your own, you just see your site. So what you do, I think you click on install. So your own, it will show you your username, your domain name. If your domain name is not there, make sure it will show https. That's this thing. That's if you apply for domain name. Or if you don't apply for domain name, it will be like this, but you can choose this one. Just choose this one. There's no need to write. There's no need to use www.domain. You can anyone choose, but you type in your what's it called? You type in your domain name. So after you do that, the next thing you do is you click on install. Click on install for your domain name. You click on install. In my own case, I created a subdomain, but your own is not going to be a subdomain because I already purchased a domain name and a domain and a hosting package. That's why I'm creating a subdomain. So what you have to do, click on this one and okay, let's go down. So guys, this is how you're gonna be. This site name you can actually edit it later. The site description, you can actually edit it later. I'll tell you the meaning of that, but there's no need for that right now. So guys, this is my password. I'm going to change the password. I'm going to change the username and password. And I'm going to change username and password. So I've changed my password. So guys, what you have to do, you have to choose any password you need and choose your username. And please, this admin password, it has to be very strong. It has to be more than 70% strong, or else it will not let you install. Take note, or else it will not let you install. You have to put probably you're putting your name, you now add numbers, and you now add all these extra key like at or hash or dollar sign or equals to sign or ratio sign. Anything you add it to it, make it long, like 7 words. You add numbers and you add sign and the rest figures. So this email address, so this is your email admin email. So you put the email address you want your this thing to be sent to. Okay, I'm coming. Let me check something. Okay, yes. You can leave this as your admin email. Somebody want to contact you. So if you want to contact you at admin at your website name.com. But you're not gonna show anything like that dots. Like these dots. It's not gonna be a subdomain. It's gonna be like, let's say you choose a name like promise.tv.com. So that your other one gonna be. So this limit of login is it prevents people from hacking your website. Like they'll not be trying to different times with bots. So he has number of times you have to try it. So since it's your website, you will not be um trying to log in more than 5 times. Like you understand, you just know your password and you just know your username and your password and you log in once. So this classical editor, you can click it. Like these are plugins. So I'll show you what meaning of plugins. These are what we'll be using for the website. W3 Total Cache. These are things like it improve your SEO and your user, improve your SEO and increase website performance, reducing download times. So guys, it actually help caching your website. So yes, pay attention. Pay attention. So you can choose. This is not going to be a blog we're going to use in creating our own blog. So, but just click on the default blog. Click on the default theme. So these are how the blog going to be, but this is not going to be our blog. It's not going to be our blog. But this blog is nice. You can actually use this sharp. You can actually use it, but we are starting out from scratch. Let us click on select. You can use this if you like, but our own we're gonna use it. So they are saying email copyright. Just click yes. So your installation details. Just put the email address you want this installation detail to be sent to, or just put the email installation. Put it so that you will not forget. What's it called? What's it called? The account you just created, but just put it. They will send you your installation details like your website name and your website WP admin for you to log into the WordPress. So we want to install WordPress right now. So you click on install. You see this? Install. I'm taking my time to explain this thing very well so that you will not get confused. If not, that would have been very fast. I'm just leaving a lot of things unchecked. So you want to leave it, just be patient. It take like 5 or 10 minutes, even less than that time for you to install completely. So guys, yes, this kind of thing is going to be sent to the email address you put before. Okay, so your email is like this. You just copy this So you copy something like this so that you save it somewhere, so that you have no stress to log in your blog. You're gonna enter the you're gonna enter save it somewhere. It can be your Gmail draft or anywhere. So we're going to log in to our WordPress. So WordPress has been successfully installed. WordPress is a software. WordPress has successfully installed. So guys, pay attention. This is the website. I'll click on it. I open it in a new tab. Taking very slow so that my students will understand some stuff. So I think because it's a new site, that's why it's showing this thing. So don't mind, don't worry. Let's click on advance. We'll proceed. I think it's not showing the padlock sign. I don't know. Probably you show later. But if you're not sure, but I already purchased the SSL. Probably they want me to purchase on another one. But this is just a tutorial. So this is the theme we install. These are how the theme is. This is the website. Well, this is your demo website. This is the website. So click on blog. Show you how this blog is. Okay. So guys, we are in the blog. This is the blog. You can see my blog. This is how the blog is. So showing you about me. Okay, I think this is a blog now. Or network is having issues. I don't know. But this does not matter. I am showing like how this is just a default theme. You want to choose a theme that is AdSense friendly, Google AdSense friendly. Like Google will just like your theme and just like your team layout, so that they will grant you your access will be your Google AdSense account will be approved, your blog account. So next thing we go to the administrative URL. This is your website name /wp /admin. Your website name and this small underscore you enter WP admin. So I'm gonna open it like this way. This is the back end. This back end of where you be working. This is the front end. This is what we are seeing. So guys, if you click on this link, this administrative URL, it will take you to a login page like this. It's supposed to take you to a login page like this. It will not take you there, just give it time. It will take you there. So what you have to do, you have to press your username and your password. So I'm gonna press my username and my password. I'm gonna press my password, it's my password. So guys, make sure you insert your password and log in, you see it. So you log in, click on login. So guys, this is how your dashboard is gonna be. See this dashboard, home, update, page, plugin, and this. So guys, we have installed WordPress and we have already access Cpanel. So guys, so we are done with step 2. Access Cpanel and install WordPress. So step 3, it's gonna be content creation. Step 4 gonna be install a Google AdSense ready theme. Step 4, 5 we're going to be theme customization. Step 6, post layout. So in the next in continuation of this video, we're going to show you how you can create content. So content you write for your blog. So if you want to write content, you go to post, all post, go to all post. So there are already content here, but I'm sure you guys you can get good content for your blog posts. So guys, the video will continue. In the video I'll teach you how you can get content for your blog posts, high quality content. So guys, the video will continue. So it's going to lead us to creating of content. Next is to install a Google friendly accent friendly theme customization and post layouts. So that's it.